There's Christian on his boat, which is miles away up there, and he can't get it back. You get it back? Right, if you push them both forward, it'll come forward towards you. And then the other way. That's it. Go on. There you go. See, I'm in the waves quite well, isn't it? Yeah. Watch the ducks. See if you can go around the ball. See the ball? Come closer here, on here. Christian. Huh? That's awesome. Come stand on here, because you get a better
view.
Yeah, but watch you don't go in too far. Just come back on here, on the thingy. Sit on there and you can do it when you sat down. Yeah, sit on here and do it. You can control it better.
Oh, this is amazing. Thank you.
See if you see the ball, see if you can go around it. See if you can control it to go around it. You'd have to do it fast, but see your left and your right. You got used to it. There you go. It's quite fast, isn't it?
Yeah, especially with the black one we're on YouTube. Well, this is horrendously fast.
That's well cool, and it goes quite far.
I think I'm gonna crash into it.
Oh! Go on, go and get that duck. See if you can follow it.
Wait, watch me try and follow it.
Follow the duck, follow the duck.
Oh, this is horrible what we're doing now.
Yeah, I'll give it a shot.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, you take me. It's going.
Oh, there we go.
Right.
Oh. Oh. It's amazing.
Oh, and he stops it in time.
Ooh. Oh, run on! Oh, that's so close.
And he reverses and got reverse on it.
Oh my god. I don't even get how speed boats camera first.
Stay there, don't go up the edge.
What the heck?
Oh, that's how you do it.
Let's see if we can go around around the ball. Oh, that was fast. Oh, God, this is hard because I have to move also. Yeah, it's hard, isn't it? Because it's not like an Xbox controller. It's like... Hey, oh God, it's right there.
It's quite hard to control it, but as soon as you got the...
Oh God, it's out on the corner.
You have to turn it and then go straight, if you know what I mean.
Yeah, it's like...
Bring it.
Yeah, it's...
Look at that one. Yeah. Look who's behind you.
Whoa!
Oh, isn't that awesome? You just showed our boat up there, look. Yeah, go on. Isn't that? That's a brilliant one, that. You just showed our boat up. You just showed our boat up there. That's a good one, isn't it?
Just a bit.
Are you sailing it?
Yes,
Yeah.
They're all Tuesday afternoons our race day.
Oh, right. Is he a club that you?
Yes, that's the clubhouse up there, that green shed.
Right. On a Tuesday.
Tuesday we race these.
Right.
We're all pensioners.
Right. No, we just bought the young lad. We just got a speedboat, but we're looking at getting a bigger one, like.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're just getting used to this, but yeah, I'd love to get a sailing boat. So yeah, brilliant, aren't they? Oh, fantastic.
I've not sailed this before, it's not my boat. And,
Right, they're
but
brilliant.
they call it a 6 metre.
Right, have they got
It's based on the 6 metre design.
right. You got motors on them? Have you?
No.
Right, just the
Just
sailing, isn't
sailing.
it? Brilliant. Fantastic. Hey, he's going to sail them. You have to get ours out of the way. Where is it? They got a club on Wednesdays.
Was it like for like?
Yeah, the old people, but they do it from there. But if you should come down, couldn't we? If we get a bigger boat.
Yeah, we got one of the black boats and just speed off with them.
Yeah. It's got some power in it still. Is it running out of power? Have a look, have a look.
I think it's running out of power.
I think it is, you know. Need to charge it up a bit. My dad lives across the road.
Oh my, really?
Yeah, it is there. I'm going to charge it up.
Oh god.
We'll take them ones.
Oh
Brilliant,
yeah.
aren't they?
Yeah. Whoa, they're amazing.
Yeah, I think it's.
Yeah, I think it needs charging. Should we go until it beeps? Look at that beautiful thing, guys. God.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't get it out.
Oh god, sorry guys. Okay. Right.
I think it's full of water.
Yeah, I think
It should
so.
be full of water.
Yeah, I think it is. Oh, that means it'll just get destroyed on it.
Take them.
Whoa. What is it there?
Full of water. No, no.
I don't even know how it is full of water.
He said it's got a seal on it, so it shouldn't do that.
I don't take it for granted.
No.
Get the sail and go down.
Yeah, no, yeah.
Let's hope not. Oh god.